Hey guys, today we are taking a high volume oil filter. It came in, it was greasy, grimy. We've originally used the Hydroblast on it, but now what I want to do is bring it back to a like new finish. Stay tuned and we'll see how it turns out. All right, so we're back. We've used glass bead on this high volume oil filter, and what it's done is turned a black, greasy, grimy part into like new. This is an amazing finish. You gotta see it to believe it. Let us know what questions you have. Call us about your applications today. You can reach us at 828-202-5563. Thank you so much.